Hello class, we're week 8, so this is quiz week. I'm going to give you a separate quiz on chapters 2, 4, 5, and 6, 25 questions each. This is where the study guides, if you've done them in the last 4 weeks, will come in real handy because you'll have the actual quiz questions and hopefully you've looked up maybe all of the answers or some of the answers. That'll help you on the quizzes. Each quiz has a 1 hour limit. Once you start it, you need to finish it in 1 hour and you get to take it one time. So that's part of what we're doing. Those 4 quizzes are worth 25 points each, so there's 100 points. There's kind of important, right? And then the next part of this would be, I have some videos here to get you ready for the MyTLab Word Hands-On Test. Now, that's where you'll download a starting file and an instruction sheet, and you'll probably want to print out the instruction sheet, and you'll complete a series of tasks in a Word document from what you learned in chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4 in Word. Now, here's a tour of the training. Again, you saw that in one of the initial modules at the top of this list. I have it down here again because this kind of gives you an example of how to do the tour of the training for the test, the hands-on test. Then you have me actually completing, oh gosh, 60 to 70% of this hands-on test for you. So watch it, take a look at it, and see me complete. Watch me complete some of the steps you're going to have to do. So I don't do all of them, but I do enough to get you started. And then you'll actually take the hands-on test. So I'm already logged in. If you're not, you'll be asked to. So here I am here. And this is week 8. So this is just a reminder. There are chapter quizzes for you in Canvas, see, in Canvas in parentheses. So you don't need to click on these. But this is the Word hands-on test. So you'll click on this to start it. And you'll enter, well, the password will be gone by the time this week comes along. It's there now, and I'll establish it later. Okay, I'll set that up for you so you get into it. If you look at the video on taking the hands-on test back over here in Canvas, it'll walk you through the steps of doing this grader project, because you actually need Word installed in your computer. You're not doing it in the cloud like the simulations. You'll do it on a computer, and then you'll save it and submit it for grading. One tip is, as you download the documents to get started on that computer, save them to your desktop so you know how to get them very easily and how to upload them very easily. Whether you're doing it at home or in the library, FCC library or computer lab, save it to your desktop. It'll make it easier. And know that the system does check to make sure that your unique submission is in fact unique and not a copy of somebody else's. So just be aware of the system does check integrity violations. And I think that's about it. You can use the tutorial services for help again. They're not going to help you with the quizzes. You know, you get 1 hour for each quiz once you start, but they may help you understanding some of the hands-on test assignments. If you're a little confused, know that you can take advantage of that. Now, I will open up the grades after this week. After, we've had 4 chapters in Word, there's 100 points. We'll have 4 quizzes, there's 100 points, and we'll have the hands-on test. That's 300 points total. I'll update the grades here, and it'll be a tab here so you get to and see how you're doing for the class. And because next week, I think, is the drop deadline for this class. So if you're not doing well for whatever reason and you don't know that you can salvage your grade, you'll know after this week 8. And you may want to drop and take it in another semester when maybe you have more bandwidth to handle this class or the number of classes you might be enrolled in. So hopefully that helps. I will send me an email or get on the Zoom call if you need some help, and I'll see you on the net.